Alrighty boys, welcome back to another big boat adventure. Today me and Uncle Trent are out the reef. We're out here. Have a go at this. Breaking the weather, we had to go. We actually come out last night and we've already got a good feed of fish in the esky. So today we're just gonna have a play and explore these reefs. Second time out here, so we got lots of exploring to do. But anyway, let's get into it. Alrighty boys, we've just anchored up. We're on a pretty decent spot by the looks of it. We're on top of a big bommy and 40 odd meters of water. Yeah, 40 exactly. So first drop. We're not going to do too much talking, filming, because it's dark and the light's bright. So we'll just show you some fish action, hopefully. So fingers crossed. So after that absolute disaster of tangled lines, and Uncle Trent's ended up with a smallmouth nanny, so. Daddy! One in the bank, boys. What do we got here, mate? I know you're not supposed to shine because it attracts sharks. Yes, get him in. That's another one. Well done, bro. You're on fire. Lovely. Got us a bit of a rod bender going on here. Get it up before the sharks do, bro.
I can't fucking get it through.
We'll get back to you. Gonna bring this one in the boat, mate?
Yeah. I don't know if I could lift it, mate.
Yeah, it is a big shark.
There he comes.
Don't go under the boat, you dog. Up to the top, buddy. Oh, he's got the fucking anchor rope, man.
Yep.
The anchor rope released him. That leader, 80-pound leader, Samaki.
And it only just took where the nanny chewed.
Yeah.
But I tell you what, I rate these rod and reels.
Yeah, they're the new Daiwa. Shit, I can't remember what they're called.
MQs.
BGMQ or something.
Yeah, BGMQs. This is the 18.
Yeah, single body or something. Anyway, fuck the sharks. Just got me one, boys. Beat the tax man. You beauty. Oh, another nanny. We're on fire. That's 5 keepers.
What is that, sir?
Mate, what you got there is a fish. Fuck, I've got no idea what that is.
If I was in Victoria, I'd say that was a snapper.
It does look like a snapper. What the fuck? Oh, actually, I've seen one of these somewhere. They called. Let's have a look. Let us know in the comments what they are. We got this new sticker. Does it look like a juvenile snapper? Surely you don't get them in Queensland. Anyway, let us know. We'll let this thing go. Another one, mate. That's a good one. They're all the same size, eh? Oh, the smallmouth are on fire tonight, boys. So are the sharks. You got to winch them in. Oh! Go son, go son, go son! Oh. Yours gone too?
Yep.
What? Double hookup! Double drop off! Shit! Redemption. Uh-oh. Oh no, is this going to hook up as well?
Unless we're crossed.
We could be crossed. If we are, I'll just put mine in free spool. No, we're not. And it is, oh yes we are. It is another nanny, so we're on a red spot.
And yours is easy.
Yep. You! We just found another bombie in the middle of nowhere, but this one is a lot deeper. A lot deeper. This is hard work. Another fucking baby GT.
A baby Trevor! Oh, baby GT.
Oh no, it's not GT.
No, that's it. Trevor, isn't it?
Yeah, fuck anyway, that's not what I want.
Oh. Fish is a fish.
No.
No?
It's not.
Well, someone's getting fussy. Yeah, they got a big fancy boat.
Is that GT?
No, I think that's more Trevor, isn't it?
Yeah, well, they're all Trevors. Alright, just pulled up on a new reef. Haven't fished this one yet. Looks alright, looks alright. So we'll see what happens here. Uncle Trent just dropped, first drop. Well, how deep are we? 13.5 meters. So we're chasing trout. We've got our reds in the esky already. And yeah, it's time to get some tasty fish nuggets. We got us some trouty, boys! Yee! Oh, sorry for the lack of commentary, guys. The swell is getting away from us a little bit, but we got another biate. So we'll just keep the clips coming. You're probably sick of hearing my voice by now anyway. I got this one in time. Oh, we got us a big boy. That's bigger than mine. Well done, brother. Nice one. We got some more tuna or mackerel working a big bait ball over here. We're gonna try our luck with a popper again, see what happens. It's a huge bait ball, man. It's a big one. I think last time I tried this, the boat scared them, so we'll just kill the engine and see how we go. But they're working. You gotta be joking. All right. Let's troll it. Well, there you go, boys. We're back at the ramp. Uncle Trent's about to wheel us up. We actually got a good feed of fish this trip, so that's good. Did a bit of exploring, found a couple of good spots. Yeah, it was good. Good day. But the weather turned to shit a little bit. Not too bad, but it was uncomfortable. But anyway, it's better than working, eh? But anyway, boys, we are out of here. Catch you in the next one. What should we do? Should we go hunting? Let's go shoot some shit. Cool. Let me know in the comments. Cheers, boys.